Here's how to customize WooCommerce order confirmation emails with YayMail. First, go to your WordPress admin dashboard and find plugins in the left sidebar. Click Add New, then search for YayMail. You want the one by YayCommerce. Install it, then activate it. Simple enough. Now you've got a new YayCommerce menu item sitting in your sidebar. Click YayMail to see all your email templates lined up. Order details is one of the first ones you need because that's what customers get after they buy something. Select that template and you're in the visual editor. This is where the magic happens. Start with the logo at the top. Click that placeholder and either grab something from your media library or upload your logo. Your logo makes the email yours instead of looking like every other generic WooCommerce store out there. The greeting message sits right under your logo. Click it and change it to whatever fits your style. Thank you for your order works fine. Your order is confirmed works too. Keep it short and to the point. The order details section in the middle pulls everything automatically from the customer's purchase. Items, prices, quantities. All that stuff shows up without you doing anything, but you can click on it to change colors and fonts so it matches your brand colors instead of looking like default WooCommerce styling. Your footer is where you put the practical stuff. Company address, phone number, support email. People want to know how to reach you if something goes wrong with their order. Before you make this live, test it. Hit send test email at the top. Put in your email address and see what lands in your inbox. This shows you exactly what your customers see. If something looks off, go back and fix it. When everything looks right, enable the template and save it. Every order from now on sends your branded email automatically.